Want to reset MusicBrainz Picard to its default settings? Resetting the application can help fix configuration problems, remove unwanted customizations, and restore the original settings without affecting your music files. In this guide, I'll show you how to reset MusicBrainz Picard step by step. Let's get started. First, if MusicBrainz Picard opens normally, go to the Maintenance section in the Application Settings and create a backup of your current configuration. This lets you restore your custom settings later if you change your mind. Next, close MusicBrainz Picard completely before making any changes to its configuration. Closing the application ensures the settings file isn't being used while you reset it. Now open the MusicBrainz Picard configuration folder and locate the Picard.ini file. Rename the file to something like Picard.ini, backup, or move it to another folder instead of deleting it. When MusicBrainz Picard starts again, it automatically creates a new configuration file with the default settings. Open MusicBrainz Picard again. Since the original configuration file is no longer available, the application will recreate it using the default settings. Your music files remain unchanged because only the application settings are being reset. Finally, adjust any settings you want to customize or restore your previous backup if needed using the maintenance options. Then import a few music files to confirm everything is working correctly. And that's how to reset MusicBrainz Picard. Resetting the configuration restores the application's default settings while leaving your music library untouched, making it a useful solution for fixing configuration-related problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.